I bet you didn't know mornings could be amazing. Until now. So, here's the deal. Mornings used to be my sworn enemy. My alarm clock, more like a sleep deprivation device, but then I discovered the all-new Amazon Echo Spot. Imagine this, a smart alarm clock that not only wakes you up but makes you want to get up. With its vibrant sound and Alexa, it's like having a personal morning DJ. No more groggy mornings for me. One day I tried setting a wake-up playlist. The Echo Spot played my favorite tunes and I actually felt alive. Plus, with Alexa, I get weather updates, news briefs, and even my to-do list read out loud. All before my first cup of coffee. Trust me, this little gadget turned my mornings from dreadful to delightful. So, if you're tired of waking up feeling like a zombie, check out the Amazon Echo Spot. You'll find the link in the description. And say goodbye to groggy mornings.